Dear friends of Gairdner, as we approach the close of another remarkable year at the Gairdner Foundation, we look back with pride at the amazing scientists who became members of the Canada Gairdner Laureate family in 2023. Their scientific achievements and their personal journeys were truly inspiring to everyone. They gave much of their precious time to meet and inspire young scientists across the country. And then they joined us in celebrating their successes at the Gairdner Awards Gala in Toronto in October, along with many of you, our community partners. Special moments of musical choices and personal reflections from the laureates always makes the gala a memorable event. If you missed any of the events of Gairdner Science Week, including the laureates' acceptance speeches, please feel free to catch up on the Gairdner YouTube channel. As we look back and enjoy the new friendships we've made around the world through the activities of the Foundation and its global reach, we also look forward to discovering and honouring the next wave of visionary scientists and research in 2024. The adjudication process for the 2024 awards is already well underway, and I know it's going to be another great cohort. At the Gairdner Foundation, we believe in the transformative power of science to create positive change and build bridges across communities worldwide. Given the challenges facing the world right now, it becomes even more crucial to foster a spirit of unity, understanding, and compassion. We extend our warmest wishes to you, our valued community. May this festive time be filled with joy, reflection, and a renewed commitment to making a positive impact in the world. Thank you for your support and engagement with the Gairdner Foundation this year, and we wish you all the best in 2024.